Sundus from Germany.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Wa alaikum assalam wa barakatuh.
So I'm gonna make this as understandable as possible. So my friend, her mother, like the side of her mother, they're Shia. So she told me that they're like not the kind of Shia that curse Aisha radiallahu anha, that say the Quran is not complete or something like that. She says that her mother told her that she follows Ahlul Bayt, and that in Salat it's a little different. Like after the third, like in the third rak'ah and the fourth rak'ah, after Surah Al-Fatiha, they say tasbih. So my question actually is, my friend was talking about how like the southern part of Lebanon is being like bombarded there, and her mother is like obviously crying and really upset, and my friend is also upset for her mother. So my question is, if I'm like supporting my friend or sympathizing with her or being there with her, is this like wrong of me? Because I'm afraid that this would count as me being an ally to the Shia, and also like being a major sin, or maybe pushing to kufr, or I'm not sure. That's why I'm asking.
We've said this before many times. Shia are categories and levels. And the level you've mentioned, which is that they don't curse Abu Bakr, Umar, Uthman, and the rest of the companions, may Allah be pleased with them. They don't slander Mother Aisha. They don't say that the Quran is distorted and it's missing few chapters here and there, missing few verses here and there, all fabricated stuff from their heads, stating that it has been changed. As the people of Iran, the regime of Iran thinks and believes, and this is in their literature, we have it in our bookshelves, we have it in our libraries, and they've stated it in their lectures that the book of Allah is distorted and changed. They've said this, and they have books, and their imams who are in Qum and Mashhad and the rest of the places, that innovated places they have, and their shrines, they believe in these things and they consider them to be imams. Now the rest, like the ones you've mentioned, they're Muslims. They're our brothers and sisters. We sympathize with them, we support them, we are with them, our hearts are with them, because they're Muslims. Definitely nobody approves of what's happening, of shelling and killing civilians anywhere in the world, let alone in Lebanon or here or there. So yes, there is no problem in supporting your friend, inshallah. Muhammad from Malaysia.
Assalamu alaikum, Sheikh.
Alaikum assalam wa barakatuh.
After Taraweeh, I mean, after every like two rak'ah, someone would say like, Allahumma salli ala Muhammad, and then the ma'mum would say like, Sallallahu alayhi wa sallam alayhi. Is this part of the sunnah?
Do you know any hadith that backs it up, Muhammad?
No, I'm not sure.
No, this is how you recognize whether it's a sunnah or not, whether it's an innovation or not. So not everything people do, we would say, is this sunnah? How would we know? We have to go back to the books of sunnah. And if there is no hadith backing it up, then definitely this is an innovation. In places I've visited ages ago, in their masjids, after every 2 rak'ahs of Taraweeh, they would say, تردوا على أبي بكر, تردوا على عمر, تردوا على عثمان. Yani you say, Allahumma arda an Abi Bakr or Ali, Umar or Ali or Uthman, etc. All of this is an innovation. Yes, we do ask Allah to be pleased with the companions. Saying it in this specific place is an innovation because it was not done by them.